God. This guy is injured. Oh, shit. Okay. That didn't work out. I don't think he's coming back. I came up to go grab something to like lift him on board because every time I try and get close, he would just go at me. So he's got a broken leg. I can bring him onto the boat and then what? Like, I just don't know. I think we should just maybe leave him, right? But kind of sucks. We'll see how it goes. There he is. He's swimming slowly to shore. I think he was tired. I couldn't get him. Look at him off the building. They think we're a boat.
Dude, it's like Jurassic Park. They're moving.
Dude, this is nuts. They're coming. We have now arrived in Mag Bay. We skipped Cabo altogether. We never made it, actually. We rounded the corner and realized that my good friend Doug blew the fuse by mistake. But the same issue happened. We blew a big fuse and we had no battery power, so we sailed in by magnetic again last night. And now we're here. We're going into town. This town's supposed to have the most stuff yet. Let's hope, because there's pretty much been nothing so far. Poodle! Okay, we landed and it wasn't the easiest tie up because we do have Poodle here, and Poodle has vertical height issues. So we lifted him up. It's a really sketchy ladder. It's a lot of fun, but sometimes you just have nothing to get ashore with, and this is the easiest way. It's so much fun. I love it. Okay, we got the boat tied up. We're all secured. Doug and I are gonna go see what supplies we can find in town. Hopefully we can get some of those big fuses, but yeah, some good food. Fuses that we need would be nice. Cyril's on his way from the airport right now. I think he's gonna be another few hours, and we're just gonna hang out and enjoy the place. Okay, we're now at the dock. We have our rental car and we're off to Cabo. I got a really cheap flight to Victoria, so I'm gonna head out tomorrow. Right now, Cyril's getting down this really big ladder. We loaded all the gas, food, everything down. Whoosh, whoosh. Woohoo! Hey, Cyril! See you, man! Have fun! Come on, buddy! Bye, Poodle! What is that? The bronze guy. Ever Okay. We just got this hotel room. It's absolutely crazy. Just gonna hit the pub. We've been driving all evening. Check it out. We're gonna do our last hour and a half to Cabo in the morning, and we're hoping to leave at like, I don't know, 9 o'clock so we can check out the place and get a good bite to eat. Anyways, this place is awesome. Check it out.
Catch rig, you know, like awesome. Like, because we're kind of like. about her. Because otherwise,
this is my last day. Dougie and I drove all the way to Los Toros or something. I'll check. We drove last night. We like showed up at this bar with this random guy that Doug knew. We had a blast. We're in this little town. We're gonna go check it out this morning. I'm off to the airport. We finally escaped the Houdini. Aubrey, it was a great trip. Thank you so much. I'm sorry for having to leave, but really had a great week on the boat, which turned into like a month. Anyways, what an absolute blast. We almost made it. Yeah, we had a few hiccups on the way down with some electrical and some things, but that's what a shakedown cruise is for. So yeah, we had a blast. It was a great trip. I really met a new friend, Doug. Had so much fun. I loved it. Aubrey has been amazing to me. Yeah, she's just been awesome. She actually has put her best foot forward to show me that she cares about our friendship, and so we've had a really good mutual friendship so far, and I really appreciate it. I'm gonna go sailing with her again. I can't wait. And yeah, just great friends. So thanks, Aubrey. I really appreciate it, and everything you do. Thanks for taking care of me, looking out for me. That was great. Just an awesome trip. I'm so glad I met so many cool friends out in the sailing community, and it's awesome. So next month, stay tuned, because Aubrey and I are going to be racing down the west coast of the Baja Peninsula in dinghies. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I am going to kick her ass. Just wait and see. You'll see. It's gonna be amazing.